Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, Afar, and Tigray region is that viewers today, according to AFP news agency, that heavy fighting is going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force on many fronts in Afar region. And at least 20 civilians have been killed and tens of thousands displaced in heavy fighting between Tigray Defense Force and pro-government forces in Ethiopia's Afar region, which borders war hit Tigray. And it has been said that in this war, Tigray Defense Force has destroyed several large vehicles of Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies. And pictures of many destroyed vehicles from Tigray Defense Force about this have also been shared, which you can see on your screen. We were looking at these pictures. Ethiopian National Defense Force seems to have suffered huge financial losses in this war. While it has been said that the war is still going on. And according to Tigray Defense Force, on 19th July in Zobil, Amhara region, Tigray Defense Force have destroyed two battle lines of Amhara Special Forces and captured various armaments including 7 military vehicles. And Mott said that the military operations were still ongoing in Amhara region. While Tigray Defense Force is claiming that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are getting support from citizens in the Amhara region and Afar region. Thanks for watching.